So this question is reformat the string. So you are given string s, and then s represent alphanumeric string. So what it means is no letters followed by letter, no digits followed by another digit. So it's going to be letter digit, letter digit. And then you want to return the reformatted string or the empty string if it's not possible to reformat, right? So what does this mean? So if this is a letter, the next character has to be what? The digit, right? So I'm gonna say letter digit. So if this is letter, the next character it has to be digit. Then the next character after the digit is letter, and then digit, letter, digit, letter, right? So sometimes we need to count for how many digits we have. So in this case 3. So how about letter? Letter is what? Letter is 4. 1 2 3 4. So we definitely know if the absolute difference between digits and letter is 1 at most. If this is greater than 1, so imagine you have another L right over here, so it's counted as 5. So 5 minus 3 is 2. So this violates the constraint, no letter is followed by letter, right? But this is a letter followed by letter, so which is it's not given correct input. So in this case we want to return an empty string, right? All right, so now we know at most difference between letter and digit is 1. Then we want to know who should be implement first. Reformat first. It has to be what? The most the most length of the letter has to be reformat first before the digit, right? Also you will get digit, letter, digit, letter, digit, letter, right? And you have what? 3 letters only, and then you are missing 1. If you implement right over here, it's not correct. So you have to implement right here. If this is the way you implement, you want to implement the L first, right? So just depending on your size of letter and digit, and then whoever has greater value, just implement first. Alright, so this is the first solution. So the first thing is we need to count as how many letters, how many digits, and then we do the math, absolute difference L, minus D, and then it has to be what? Greater than 1. It has to be equal than 1 or less than, something like this. But if this is greater than 1, then we return empty string. And yeah, this will be it. So I'm going to write 2 kind of solution. You can prefer whatever you want. So I'm going to say string builder, and then in this case I'm going to say digit equal to new string builder, and then the next one is going to be what? Letters equal to new string builders. Alright, so I'm going to traverse the string to char. So I'm going to determine, is this a what? Is letter or is digit, right? Depending on how you write it. So I'm going to say digit.add the C into the string builder, so it's going to be a pen, right? And then else it's going to be what? This is letters.pen C, right? Alright, so again, if map.absolute the digits.length minus the letters.length, if this is greater than 1, we'll return an empty string. And yep, so now this is going to be what? This is going to be a return value. I'm going to call result. So I'm going to just return result toString, right? Alright, so I'm going to just to verify which one is going to be the first. So boolean is digit. So how do I know is digit? So it's going to be what? The length is going to be determined the length. So it's going to be what? Digits length is greater or equal than letters length, right? So I would definitely know. Oh, if they are equal, I'm still going to be digit first. I mean, it just, you know, just follow the example one. But if they are greater, you know, definitely digit has to go first, right? So we have what? Two string builder, two reformat, right? So one index for digits, one index for letters. So it's going to be x equal to 0, y equal to 0, right? And then what are we doing? We are actually reformat those two string builder into the result, right? So I need I equal to 0, right? So again, this is like, you know, something like this is like digits only, this is letters only, and then later on you want to combine them into the, you know, later digit, later digit, later digit. So you have the 3 index. You have to have a 3 index, right? So this will be it, and then I will less than the s dot length, right? There must be a point that you want to stop, and then you increment your I every single time, right? So it's going to be a speed dot append, and I'm going to just verify the is digit value. So if this is digit, I'm going to just get the value from the digit string builder. So it's going to be char at I, right? So it is in this case I'm using x, right? X represent digit, and then else, you know, letters char at y. So you are going to increment your index based on is digit. So if is digit, right? You want to increment digits only, but not letters. If not, then you want to just using the increment y digit, y index on the letters. And every single time you will have to flip the is digit to the other value, right? So if this is true, you want to return false. If it is false, you want to return true at the end. So you do it every single iteration, so you can put it right here, right? So this is how it is. Like you minimize the redundant code. So cannot be letters. Something I forgot. And then this is the result, right? I didn't initialize SB, but okay. Sorry about the mistake. Alright, so time and space are straightforward. This is space, all of n, right? And then this is time, all of n, and this is constant, this is constant, this is also space, but constant, this is all of n, right? This is all of n for time, right? And then you just get a value, you know, get value append. So time and space are the same. So this is the first solution, and the second solution, you know, probably, you know, I mean, it's still going to be the same. So it's going to be char size. I'm going to initialize the char size and digit size. So without, you know, adding the value into the string builder. So I'm going to say for char c, and then it's to char array. So it's going to use the if character dot is digit c, and then digit size plus else the other one plus, right? So I'm still going to be master absolute the digit size minus char size. If this is greater than 1, you want to return an empty string. And then if not, then basically you want to just say x equal to, so I'm going to just check out my character size and digit size. So this will represent an index, right? So x, if this is true, I'm going to say initialize to 0, else 1, and then y is going to be determine the x, right? If x is equal to 0, I'm starting from 1, else I started from 0. So I mean, you definitely get it what I mean. So I'm going to create a result. So I'm just converting a char array right away. Sorry, string to char array right away. And later on, I'll just return a new string based on the result, right? So I'm going to modify the value inside the char array. And this char array is using the index based on this one, right? All right, so for char c x.to char array. So if a current digit, current letter if the current char is the letter, I'm going to say result x equal to c, and then else result y equal to c. Alright, so I can tell x is represent what? X is represent char letter, right? Y represent what? Y represent digit. There might be a better index you can use, but whatever. Alright, so if this is a pattern, you know, you're gonna skip what? 2 index every single time, right? So this method is not the best, but it's definitely runnable. So this is the solution. I would consider the last one would be the better way to understanding. This one is just just based on a test case. The test case is too simple. Like how are you guarantee that the original string has a correct pattern, letter digit, and then you want to reformat it in a correct format. Right? This is just to rely on the original string s, but since this is parsing, I'm going to put this in a video, and maybe one time someone else add a new test case and then this one break. I mean, it doesn't matter, but it's definitely good to know why we implement this, and then you should be okay. I mean, the time and space, definitely space is going to be lower. You only have all of n, right? And time is still all of n, time is still all of n, right? And then this is space, all of n. And yeah, so if you have a question, leave a comment, and I'll see you next time. Bye.